Hello everyone. Today let us learn to write regular expression for simple problems. The first problem is to obtain a regular expression representing strings of A's and B's having length 2. Question says strings are formed using only A's and B's and length of string should be 2. So different combinations of A's and B's of length 2 are AA, AB, BA or BB. So we can write the regular expression as AA plus AB plus BA plus BB. So this can further simplified as A plus B into A plus B. In the strings of length 2, AA, AB, BA, BB, the first character can be either A or B. So that can be written as A plus B. The second character can also be either A or B. So that is also can be written as A plus B. Hence the simplified regular expression for the question is A plus B into A plus B. One more problem is obtain a regular expression representing strings of A's and B's having length less than or equal to 2. According to the question, the length of strings can be 0, 1, 2 but not 3. So strings of length 0 is epsilon, that is empty string. Strings of length 1 is either A or B. Strings of length 2 can be either AA or AB or BA or BB. So we can write the regular expression combining all these as A plus B plus AA plus AB plus BA plus BB plus epsilon. Or we can further simplify this as epsilon plus A plus B into epsilon plus A plus B. Using the same logic as that of the previous problem, so the character can be either epsilon or a single A or a single B, or for length of string and for strings of length 2 the character can be either A or B. So that means the first character can have either epsilon or A or B. Similarly the second character can be either epsilon or A or B. So this is the simplified regular expression. We can further simplify this and write it as epsilon plus A plus B whole square. We have one more similar problem to this, that is obtain a regular expression representing strings of A's and B's having length less than or equal to 10. Using the same logic as that of the above problem, we can write the regular expression as epsilon plus A plus B whole to the power 10. Next we have a problem to obtain a regular expression representing strings of A's and B's having even length. Even length means the number of characters in a string can be either 0 or 2 or 4 and so on. Generally the length 2 is considered even. So different combinations of A's and B's of length 2 are AA, AB, BA and BB. To get different even length strings, these strings can be repeated 0 or more times. So the regular expression is AA plus AB plus BA plus BB whole star. If this string is repeated 0 time, we'll get a epsilon, that is string of length 0. If the string is repeated 1 time, we'll get a string AA or AB or BA or BB. If the string is repeated 2 times, we'll get a strings of length 4. Likewise. So this regular expression can further simplified and written as A plus B into A plus B whole star. That means 2 characters are forming a even length and that can repeat 0 or more times to get different length of strings. One more problem. To obtain a string regular expression representing strings of A's and B's having odd length. From the previous problem, we learnt the regular expression for even length string is a plus b into a plus b whole star. If we add one more character to a even string, it becomes odd. The character can be either a or b, and we can add this character either at the beginning or at the end of even length string. So the regular expression becomes a plus b if added at the beginning, so that can be either a or b. So this is the even length string. If a odd character is added at the end, so it is a plus b here, and the even length string is a plus b into a plus b whole star. One more problem is obtain a regular expression representing a language consisting of strings of a's and b's with alternate a's and b's, or no two consecutive letters are same. Strings of alternate a's and b's are like AB, 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 and so on. So the repeating factor here is AB. So for this, the regular expression can be written as AB whole star. Here the string is starting with A, but it may or may not start with B. So the regular expression becomes B plus epsilon into AB whole star. That means the string is, we consider repeating factor is AB star. So before to this A there can be either B or there may not be B. So that is represented with epsilon. So this is written as B or epsilon. Similarly, the string is ending with B here, and it may or may not end with. So the final regular expression becomes B plus epsilon AB whole star into A plus B. If we consider the repeating factor either AB, or we can consider it as BA. If we consider it as BA, then the whole regular expression can be reversed as A plus epsilon into BA star into B plus epsilon. Hope you understood. In the next video, we'll see some more problems on regular expressions.